Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here on the Algarve coast in Portugal and we're going to check out a little town that you might not have heard of just up from Albufeira called Armação de Pêra. So we're going to have a little look around the town, we're going to check out all the things there are to do, see if we can find some food, check out some restaurants and obviously end up on a beach, hopefully. Come on, let's go.
Yo, it's a jack's life, packed your bags on its roll. From first class flights to that budget hotel. Planes, trains, tourist games, we're on the move. Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high vibes, tracks down low. Jet set living everywhere we go. Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. It's a jack's life, adventure's great.
So we're going to start our tour here just at the top of the town. There's a little tapas bar here and there's a Chinese called Happy Talk, which I thought I'd include because it's the nicest sounding Chinese I've ever heard. There is some building works going on here at the moment. Hopefully they're not around too much longer. Road signs in Portugal are pretty cool. It's much better than a road sign in Birmingham, isn't it? In England rather. More restaurants here. You can sit outside in the sun having a beer. There's this one, Izzy's. And then we got the water dog afterwards. Tapino pizza. We're going to check out the water dog. Here's the menu for you. Not a bad little spot here. Shame there is a building site, but it's still quite pretty. Here's a closer look at the menu. We've gone very English considering we're in Portugal. So I've gone very authentic here. I've gone for a steak and Guinness pie, because what else do you have when you're in Portugal? It's got chips, peas, sagras beer. Cheers everyone. Another really cool road sign. I do love these road signs, amazing. Let's have a little mooch up these streets, see what sort of shops we've got around. I think it's mainly restaurants around here. I love these cobbled streets as well that you get in Spain and Portugal. Very authentic. So over here we've got a mini mart and a clothes shop. Should we go and have a look? It's a Brazilian clothes shop. Mini mart, get some items. Papa Restaurante. Very peaceful around here, definitely a quieter town, so if you're not in the partying mood and you don't want lively bars like you do in Albufeira, just come a little further up the coast here. It all calms down nicely. Good mix of buildings along here, sort of the old and the new and the in-between. Beautiful tree. I love these. Nice Italian cafe. Look how fun the road is. Fishes. So we're going to head down here, which I think leads down to the sort of what we in England would call the promenade. I can see the sea through the buildings towards the end anyway, so we'll go down there, have an explore. Hopefully we'll find a beach. More fish pavements. I like these fishy pavements. Fishy pavements. Can't even speak. Oh, here we go. Let's have a look at the sea. We'll go this way round. Bit windy here, if you can still hear. Beautiful day to be by the beach. Look at this cactus. Then we'll have to go down and have a little paddle. Should we go down here? You'll have to bear with me with the wind. Hopefully you can still hear me. Shame this snack bar's not open. Toilet, snack bar. Nice little terrace to sit on. Maybe it's just the time of year. Kick off the old shoes. Whoa, look how thick this sand is. Very thick sand. Can't complain, there's not enough sand on the beach. And then let's have a look at this for a coastline from side to side. Tell me you don't want to come here. Absolutely beautiful. Right, time to get the feet in. Whoa! It's chilly. It's very chilly. Sand is also real soft, very hard to walk on. This essentially goes all the way around the coast until you get to Albufeira. And then all along the coast in Portugal, whoa, the water's cold again. You have all these beautiful caves and rocks, and there's loads of little caves you can go on. Boat tours that goes into the famous caves, or you can go sort of exploring some of them on feet. Absolutely stunning. Right, let's go back up and we'll check out the rest of the town. Right, we'll just walk down this bit of the beach and we'll go up the other steps so you can have a look at it a bit longer. What's that boat? You know, interesting looking boat. Check out the caves. These are obviously very small ones compared to the ones up the coast. But still pretty cool to have a look at. Maybe don't go underneath them. I don't know how stable they are or not. Right, let's go up the steps again. Last little look at the beach. Beautiful. Right, back up to the town. We'll see if we can find maybe a bar. Have a little drink in the sunshine. So this is a little land train that you can go on. So it's a little bit of fun, but it's actually quite expensive. It's €5 a person, and from where we were staying it's actually €6 for a taxi for 6 people to come here, so it is more expensive but quite fun. And we're going to go down here and we'll check out these little shops, see what sort of stuff you can buy for the beach, and then we'll go find that bar. This big bit of road here just says casino across it. I don't know if that's an actual casino that used to be here, or maybe casino means something different in Portuguese. Was this the casino? I don't know, let me know in the comments if you know. Bracelets. I used to love this stuff as a kid. Shell necklaces, magnets. What else we got? Ooh, fun little bowls. They're like their decorative plates in Portugal. Beautiful. This is another little set of steps down to another little hidden beach. Just gets better and better, the views. It's quite cool that you get your own little beach. It's pretty cool on here how the natural cliff, and then they built these walls up, so you get the white walls and then the natural cliff. Very cool. Just come around the corner and found an absolutely stunning church. Look how beautiful that is with the white building and the blue sky. Amazing. Nice little square here. Little cafe. So we've just come to a little cafe lounge on the seafront, and I'm just looking away to see what it's called. Kidus. Is that how you pronounce this? Kidus. We're just going to have some drinks. So I was looking for a mojito, which they do have, but there's also Moscow mules, and I haven't had a Moscow mule in a long time. So I think I might have to go for one of those. It's a good spot to have a drink regardless, overlooking the sea. Moscow mule has arrived. So that completes my tour here at Armação de Pêra. Probably still pronouncing that incorrectly, but that's what I'm going with. If you are coming to Albufeira or nearby, do come and check it out. It's a lovely little town. If you'd like to see more of my adventures around the local area, click on the playlist now. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much, and I'll see you on the next one.